Good morning, guys. Hi, it's Jolene. I promised on Facebook that I was going to start doing some little video snippets. This is the first one. And true to form, I'm in workout clothes, and this is what I look like first thing in the morning. So congrats to you for being able to weather this. Anyway, I wanted to share with you that I am on week 13 of P90X. It's a 90-day program. The 13th week is actually a recovery week. And recovery week is a really funny name because it's actually really hard. So I started this morning with yoga. And what I wanted to share with you guys today is where I did my yoga. I overhauled my office this weekend, straightened it up, just gave it a feel that really makes me calm and comfortable in the space, and decided, hey, now that I've cleaned this room, why don't I work out in this room? Only it's really tiny. It's super tiny. But I wanted to show you that it is possible to work out at home in a very small space. So let me actually show you that space. Okay, this is my daughter's desk, and yes, that's my Shakeology. And then here is where I write. That's where I worked out today. That is the room. That's it. There's also a tiny closet and the chair I'm sitting in, but that's basically all the space I had. So if space is one of those, dare I say, excuses or limitations that you struggle with, I'm here to show you, you really can make the space. It all has to do with whether or not you choose or desire or want to make the space. So anyway, please be patient with the videos. The lighting will be a little bit nutty for a while, and the audio may be a bit warbled, but this is a way that I can connect with you guys just as you're connecting with me on email and Facebook. So get something done today. It'll make you feel much better. I promise.